Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Network, where we're trying to help you be able to build your personal credit, build your business credit, and allow yourself to be able to take advantage of the bank's products. A lot of these bank products are offering credit cards that will give you reward points so that you can travel the world, and you can also take advantage of being able to get discounts at different hotels and lounges and stuff like that. So here at DTI Network, we're doing our best to be able to educate you, because this is the stuff that I did not know, and I'm sure a lot of other people didn't know as well. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about my story in this next episode. But if you do like these kinds of videos and you like the content that's being dropped, please hit the like button, subscribe, because I got more coming up for you, and I want to be able to deliver this value to you. All right, so stay tuned. Here comes the video. Peace. So let me share with you an experience that I had once I thought I had everything together. I registered my business, got it back from the Secretary of State, stamped. I was approved, ready to go, and I take my items into the bank, and now I'm like, I have a business, so I should be able to get lending. Here we go. I'm going off, mind you, I'm walking in with like a 600 credit score, but couldn't tell me nothing. I had my business name, I had my articles of incorporation, I had my business phone number. I was ready to go. So I thought, right? I sit down with the banker. Beautiful banker on the other side tells me, "Hello, sir. Thank you. Welcome, and thank you for coming to this particular bank." I won't mention the bank's name. I sit down, and she starts running me through and seeing if I can qualify for a business credit card. I was super excited. I understood that I did not have personal credit, but I had a new business, so I should be able to get approved for the business credit, right? No, it came back denied. And I'm sure some of you have been through this or know the feeling of when they're telling you you're denied for a credit card, and whether it's business or personal, it's just not a good feeling. And that's what I was feeling at the time. So I was a little lost. I didn't know what next. What did I do wrong with my business credit, right? I thought I had a Duns and Bradstreet number, so I thought that's all I needed, So then I had to go back to the drawing board. Okay, so then I found it. I cracked the code. I actually took a mentorship that taught me a lot of different things about business credit, and I began to learn everything that I needed to be able to build out my business credit the right way. So once I learned that code, then I was able to go back to the bank, but I also learned how to build out my personal credit. So my personal credit was solid. I didn't have really great personal credit, but I had a decent enough score for me to get my first business credit card. My first business credit card was actually with Wells Fargo, and that's a pretty strict bank. So it was really good to be able to get that first business credit card. So getting that really got me seasoned, got me going. And then after that, I started learning more and more about how to build out my business credit. Later on, I wanted to be able to help other people because I'm sure that they were going through the same thing. I got a software that actually walks you through step by step of all these things that you need. And in this series of videos that we're going to be sharing with you, I'm going to go over every single thing you need to get your business compliant, so that backed with your good personal credit, you will look more favorable to the banks to be able to qualify for a lot of the bank lending products. So I just want to be able to share with you guys a little bit about my story, a little bit about the backdrop of that, just to let you know that I'm human and I've been there. If you've had bad credit, I've been there. If you've had unestablished business credit, I've been there too. But you learn, right? You learn, you pick it up, you learn, and that's where you start really being able to get larger lines of credit, loans and things like that, so that you can buy apartment buildings, you can buy other real estate, and you can actually start building up some cash flow for yourself. Because Once you get business credit, it is so beautiful. You never have to worry about your personal credit going bad, right? You keep that thing protected and pristine, and then you just build out your business, and then you can actually own more than one business, and you can do this with more than one business. So that is also a beautiful thing. You can get business, you can get cars in your own business. But I'm also going to share with you, if you do have bad personal credit, how you can still get some of these, lending products. You can get some of these accounts where you don't have to have good personal credit, and you can still get some of these accounts, and you can actually get credit cards in your business name without personally guaranteeing it. That is what I'm going to be showing you in this series of videos that we have here to come. So if you have bad credit, I don't want you to stay having bad credit. Please click the link below. Jump into our school group community. We can have a conversation. Hopefully we can do some things to be able to help you on your own. Inside of the school group community, we have a do-it-yourself program that will help you out. And then we're also going to be doing live calls to be able to answer questions and give you guidance. Not only that, we're going to be having some offers coming out where we take people under our wings and we literally show you everything you need to know about building out your personal credit the right way and making sure that you're on the right path so that you can start qualifying for the bank's products. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you like these series of videos where we're talking about business credit. And remember, if you have poor credit, poor personal credit, you can still build out your business simultaneously while you're working on your personal credit. All right. There are little things that you need to be doing, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to be doing at the same time. All right. By the way, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want more content like this, you want more information like this, and it resonates with you. We really want you to be able to walk into the bank and get qualified. That will be the best success story that we have and we want for you. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join our free school group community while it's free. I can't say it's going to be free forever, but we're building it up right now. There is a waiting list to get in, but hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let us know you came from this YouTube channel so that we can give you access into the school group community. All right. Once again, thank you for coming by, and we look forward to helping you and working with you later on in the future. Peace.